So it's been 2 days since I posted the last video, which happens to be our first video. Today is leg day and we are back at it again, ladies and gentlemen. We are back at Coast Fitness. Today, like I said, is leg day, but most important of all, today we're taking measurements. All right, so before we touch a single weight today, it's the moment of truth, measuring time. Now, this is the part where I get to find out if I'm gonna be making positive changes to my body or if I'm just gonna be donating money to the gym for fun. Now, I gotta be honest with you. Taking measurements is a little nerve-wracking because, you know, the measuring tape, it doesn't lie. Mirrors, they can lie. You know, there's certain mirrors that are warped a certain way that can make you look a little bigger, but the measuring tape, it does not lie. You know, the measuring tape, it keeps it real, and it, you know, can humble me more than Rosie humbles me on leg day. So here's the plan. I'm gonna measure my arms, my shoulders, my chest, my waist, my quads. We're locking in the numbers today. So, you know, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months down the road, we have receipts. I'm talking cold, hard, undeniable truth that transformation is actually happening. And look, whatever these numbers land on, just know that this is day one of the measuring tape era. And the only thing that matters is that the next time that we do this, the numbers, well, they move in the right direction, which is up, except for the waistline. That needs to move in the opposite direction. That one I want shrinking like my motivation on cardio day. So enough stalling, let's grab this measuring tape and let's wrap it around these muscles or, you know, whatever's currently there. And let's get these numbers on record. All right, guys, this is the part where it gets pretty embarrassing, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Let's go. So we're gonna start with the arms. She's gonna measure 6 inches above the elbow. And then get the measurement from there. Get the circumference.
Well,
12 inches. Man, is that almost like Arnold Schwarzenegger? Kind of, maybe? All right, so all the measurements, I'm writing it down on the phone, on my notes. So, you know, obviously we're gonna keep records. All right, now we're gonna measure the arms, but this time flexing. So we get the peak of the bicep. Exactly. No, that's 12 and a half. All right, 12 and a half inches. So it looks like my arms is 12 inches in diameter, and when I'm flexing, it goes up by ½ inch. Woo! All right, next we're hitting chest. All right, so chest, we got 39 inches on my chest. 39 inches is going on record. All right, now we're hitting around shoulders.
44.
So, all right, we got 44 around the shoulders. 44 is going on record. All right, now time to hit the waist. So let's do the waist, baby. All right, so we got 35 1/4, ladies and gentlemen. We got 35 1/4. And last but not least, we're hitting the quads. All right, so we're measuring 8 inches right above the kneecap. We're hitting 8 inches right above the kneecap. And my quads currently sit at...
20.
What? Hold on, I can't see the... All right, so my quads are sitting at 20 inches. 20 inches for the quads. It's going on record. All right, guys, that concludes the measurements. Let me put this shirt back on because I know it's a horrific scene, which you guys are seeing right now. The shirt's back on. The world is safe. Look, that was pretty uncomfortable, but that's the whole point. Today, those numbers are my before. And listen, 2 months ago, there's no way I would have had the guts to film this. So if like you're sitting there waiting till you feel ready, stop. Get your before in today because the future you is going to thank you later. Let's go. So we're kicking off leg day with squats, you know. And by the way, yes, this is a pink barbell pad. Nice and glittery. No, it's not mine. Yes, it's Rosie's. Don't believe me? Just ask her. Babe, is that your barbell pad or is that mine?
Yours.
No, it's not mine. It's hers. You know, leg day is one of those days that I feel like a lot of men skip. But just know that you can't build a foundation on chicken legs. So don't skip leg day. Next up, individual leg curls. Now, this is the machine that exposes a lot of people because you can't cheat a hamstring curl, right? There's no momentum, no swinging, no ego lifting. It's just you versus your own weak hamstrings, you know, just one leg at a time. Now, people, they love training muscles that they can see in the mirror, but it's the ones you can't see, right? The hamstrings, the back, the foundation that actually builds a complete physique. These seated leg presses, they're a comfortable chair, but it's a combination of the comfiest chair that make your leg feel pain. Again, I'm not doing too heavy weight right now, even though I'm huffing and puffing and wheezing like a, air mattress losing air. But we're doing lightweight today so that we could do heavy weight tomorrow. Let's keep building. Rosie's out here grinding out these hip abductors while I'm here sitting on the machine next to her, like being her personal hype man. You know what they say, couples that train together, stay together. Let's get it. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Rosie's still back here knocking out cable kickbacks. We still got a couple more sets to go, a couple more exercises to go, but I'm not going to bore you with me, grunting through these sets, because I know that's probably not what you signed up here for. The main mission for today's video was to get the measurements down on record, documented, so months down the road, we got the receipts to prove that this transformation was for real. I'll keep pumping out more videos, the good, the bad, and the sore. So make sure you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you want to watch, a 40-year-old transform his body, this physique, into, one of those Greek statues. Or at least you could watch me suffer trying. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.